Now we will look topic number 11.2, sections of cone. First of all, we must have to study how the double napped cone is formed. Let L be the fixed vertical line which is there in this figure as black line. L is a fixed vertical line and M be another line intersecting it at a fixed point V. This another line is intersecting this vertical line L at point V, and this another line M is inclined to this vertical line with angle alpha as shown in this figure. Suppose we rotate the line M around the line L in such a way that the angle alpha remains constant, then the surface generated is known as a double napped right circular hollow cone, hereinafter referred as right circular cone, and extending indefinitely far in both directions. The point V is called vertex and the line L is the axis of the cone. The rotating line M is called the generator of the cone, and vertex separates the cone into part called nappes. If we take the intersection of the plane and the cone, the section so obtained is called the conic section. Thus, the conic section are curves obtained by intersecting a right circular cone by a plane. We obtain different kinds of conic sections depending on the position of the intersecting plane with respect to the cone. कोन और प्लेन का जगह कैसा है उसके आधार पे हमें अलग अलग कोनिक सेक्शन मिलते हैं. We'll finding different conic section with a different combination of the angle and the position of the intersecting plane and the double napped cone. Okay, let us see the animated outlook of this particular things which we have seen over here. See, in this video you can see double napped cone. So this is what the vertical line L, and this is the another line with the fixed angle between them. This is the vertex V, and this line is rotated making the angle theta constant. So here we will got double right circular cone. See the upper nap and the lower nap. This particular thing, the point about which we are rotating it is called the vertex. The slanting line is known as generator, and the vertical line, it is axis about which that generator is to be rotated. This is called circular base. There are two faces of this through circular face, and this axis or the vertical line is perpendicular to the base, and you can obtain this such figure, and this is the first nap and the other nap is on the above side. So this is how we can get the double napped right circular cone. There are two naps, upper naps and lower nap, and this angle is always, we are keeping it constant. Now we are understanding what is conic section. We have taken a plane and we can move that plane. We can intersect the double napped cone in different angles with that yellow line which we are able to see in the animation. See this yellow line, making the angle with the vertical line, that is the axis of rotation, and based on that line we'll get different figures based on that angle. So first of all, we're thinking about ellipse. When this angle of the plane with the vertical axis is, this angle B is less than A. Angle B is the angle between the vertical axis and the plane, and angle B is the angle between the directrix and the vertical axis. We will get the circle if the angle is 90 degree. Now we are thinking about parabola. If the angle is less than 90 degree, the angle is less than 90 degree, that is A is equal to B, the angle of this plane is equal to the angle of the directrix and the vertical axis, gives us the parabola. Now let us think about hyperbola. You can see the animation. In this, the angle of the plane is, you can see the animation, angle of the plane B is less than angle of the directrix and the vertical axis. So there are 4 cases and 4 conic sections. So circle, parabola, hyperbola, ellipse, these are the 4. Now degenerated conics means what? When the plane is intersecting at the vertex and the plane is parallel to the directrix, in all this case we will get degenerated cone. So there are 3 cases when we will get the degenerated conics, that is point, line and the plane. So when plane intersects a double right circular cone, 2-dimensional curves called conic sections are formed. There are 3 types of conic section: ellipse, parabola and hyperbola. Circle is also there, which is also called a conic section. When the double right circular cone is cut by a plane so that the angle between the plane and the axis is greater than the vertex angle, the ellipse is obtained. When the plane is perpendicular to the axis, ellipse changes into a circle. So how circle and ellipse is formed? If the double right circular cone is cut by a plane so that the angle between the plane and the axis is equal to the vertex angle, the parabola is formed. And if the double right circular cone is cut by the plane so that the angle between the plane and the axis is less than the vertex angle, the hyperbola is formed. So in this animation video we have seen how the different conic sections we will get. So let us coming to book again. How we will get the circle, ellipse and parabola. When a plane cuts the nape other than the vertex of the cone, we have the following sections. When beta is equal to 90 degree, the section is circle. When alpha is less than beta is less than 90 degree, the section is ellipse. And when beta is equal to alpha, the section is parabola. And when 0 is less than or equal to beta is less than alpha is the hyperbola. All these things we can see in this figure. See, in this figure we will get this all the ideas. In the first figure we are getting the different elements of double nape cone. L is called the axis about which the generator is rotating. Due to rotation of generator we are getting double nape cone. This alpha is called the angle of cone. This line M is the generator, this line L is the axis, this is the upper nape and this is the lower nape. Now see the figure number 11.3. We have 2 angles, angle beta. So beta is the angle which the plane makes with the axis, and alpha is the plane of cone. So based on the relation between beta and alpha, we will get the different conic sections. Let us see which conic sections are that. See, in the first case, beta is 90 degree. Beta is 90 degree. That is the angle of the plane, and the axis of rotation is 90 degree. Then we are getting a circle. The conic section is a circle. And if beta is greater than alpha and less than 90 degree, that is beta is in between 90 degree and alpha, at that time we will get ellipse. Ellipse is a different type of circle with two different foci that we will learn in detail. But the condition is beta is greater than alpha and it is in between 90 and alpha. In the third case, when alpha is equal to beta, that is angle of cone is equal to angle between the plane and the axis, both are the same, then we will get parabola. And the third, that is when beta is less than alpha, in this case we will get hyperbola. So these four conic section we are going to learn in this chapter. Now there are degenerated conic sections, means the conic section in their miniature form. मतलब ऐसा कि ये कोन बना कहाँ से, मिनिमम कोन क्या हो सकता है. तो अगर कोई मतलब अगर वर्टेक्स को अगर हम किसी प्लेन से काटेंगे तो विल गेट अ पॉइंट. Okay, when alpha is less than beta is less than or equal to 90 degree, the section is point, and that point is called degenerated conic section. If beta is equal to alpha, the plane contains a generator of the cone and the section is straight line. See here, the section is straight line in the figure. Here the section is a point. Here the section is a straight line. This line is a straight line. और ये straight line है वो भी degenerated form of cone है. And the third case, in which 0 is less than or equal to beta is less than alpha, the section is a pair of intersecting straight lines. It is the degenerated case of hyperbola. So see over here, there are two lines. Here the first line is this and the second line is this. It is the condition of 0 is equal to beta is less than alpha, and this is the condition of 0 less than beta is less than alpha. This is called degenerated form of conic section. So here in this topic we have learned which are the different conic sections and which are the different degenerated conic section.